Chocolates, teddies, flowers, or a solitaire. That's what you're thinking to gift your loved one this Valentine. Why don't you give them the real solitaire, which is a perfect glowing radiant skin and flawless hair? We at Skin Sensation Cosmetology provide a variety of in-house treatments which will help your loved ones and solve their problems of acne, open pores, pigmentation, acne scars, and provide them a radiant glowing skin. Our in-house latest Obachi facials will give them a perfect shining skin along with help them to minimize their pigmentations. Also, our latest injectables such as Profilo and Sculptra will provide you a radiant glowing skin for a long period of time and also help in natural skin collagen boosting for a long period of time. Also help your loved ones to get rid of the repeated problem of waxing by gifting them a laser body hair reduction schedule. And not to forget, this Valentine, gift your girl a perfect pouting lips, which will give them an elegant, attractive look. But this gift has to be done post Valentine, because if you get a lip filler done one day prior to Valentine or on the day of Valentine, you have to stay away from kissing for a period of at least 3 days. Wishing everyone a very happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy with your loved ones. Greetings from Skin Sensation Cosmetology.